everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and this is part 3 to my Junky Grungy Fairy Doll series that I'm doing here. And if you're interested in knowing how I made the fairy wand, that is part 1, so I'll make sure to put the playlist on the end screen. You guys can check it out. So the second video was me getting everything prepped and all coffee dyed for how we're going to put the little doll together here. So this video, I'm just going to show you guys just a relaxing, fun video of me putting her together. And if you want to know a more detailed, in-depth video on putting the doll together, I'll make sure to put that on the end screen. It's my Junky Grungy Grammy doll series. So I'll make sure to put that on the end screen. You guys can check it out. It shows you how to do everything. And let's get started. In the arms, legs, about halfway. And I'll take it to my sewing machine and do just a little stitch across. I also wanted to make sure to say, if you guys are interested in making your own little Junky Grungy fairy dolls, this is my Grungy Grammy doll pattern, and the link will be down below in the description box. So you guys can just come my Etsy shop and purchase the pattern. And it is not written instructions. It is a whimsical draw out of the pattern that I do. So it's not all symmetrical and perfect. That's the fun part about it. And I have detailed videos on how to put them together. So it's pretty much like a virtual pattern. And that's my Junky Grungy Grammy Doll series. Like I said, will be at the end. Come check that out, and it's pretty fun to make. And I love having everything, like I said, just whimsical, and doesn't have to be perfect or straight lines or anything like that. That just makes it your own and gives it character. Like I always say, if you're not having fun making what you're making and doing some crafts and stuff, then you're not doing it right. You know, you got to do it so where you're having fun with it. If it's like super hard and it gives you a headache and just like frustrated, and then it doesn't need to be perfect. That's what you need to tell yourself. Fun and love making these little dolls. I do have links down below for other different kinds of patterns that I've made, little doll patterns and stuff. So check those out. Those would be fun to make too. And like I said, they're whimsical. There's no written instructions. I have videos for every one of them. And the link is in my Etsy shop. And you just can copy and paste the link from my YouTube or just come to my channel, type in the title, in the search bar on my channel, and it'll take you to all of them. And I do detailed videos and talk you guys through it. And it's really fun. And these little guys turn out so cute. And little X's here. Raw edges and the threads poking out and things like that. It just makes it nice, and I like the primitive kind of look and grungy look to it, and gives it its own personality. Not one doll will be the same. They will all have their own little personalities. Really fun. This is just coats and cotton. Any kind of thread or even like an embroidery floss. Just one would work. One strand. I'm grabbing a big leaf and a smaller one. Weaving it. Overlap this a little bit. Do the front, and then just do the same thing to the back. If I want to put go ahead and have it underneath and then just spread this all around and make it a skirt. Cute. And this is my Fabrifix glue. It's in a sweet Sugar Bell icing container. I have this all in my description box below for the Amazon links. Really good. Patty decided she needed to get up on my table here. Well, he's a talker. He likes to talk. Little trinkets are down in my links also. So whenever I'm using my black embroidery floss here, I usually use just 2 strands, and that seems to be enough for everything, like the mouth and then the eyes. And when she is all done, which I might have a couple more videos on this, but she will be for sale in my Etsy shop. And I always like to put a disclaimer on that they're not made for small children because these are not safety eyes. And then some of the little trinkets and the beads and stuff I have on here, not too safe for little kids, like little guys, little kids. But us adults can definitely have fun with these, and they're really fun to make. Like I said, I have the links down below to make different kinds of dolls. This is my 12-inch Junky Grungy Grammy doll. I know I said that, but that's what this body is. That you can definitely come grab out of my shop and follow along. Our little bag here. And I'm just going to do a single crochet to do a loop so she can hang it and have it go around her shoulder. And then we'll add her little journal to it. Make sure when you're doing this, don't sew your pocket shut. I'm just pretty much doing just a whip stitch. I decided to go ahead and add the feathers hanging instead of the extra beads because we got some beads here, so I thought that would be so we got this far today. And I think this turned out really cute. So this is just on her side right here. A little satchel with her junk journal in there. So she can write down all her little adventures and stuff. And for the next video, we'll go ahead and do her hair and her wings, her little fairy wings. So if you want to get caught up with us, like I said on the end screen will be the playlist for the Junky Grungy Fairy Doll, which is her. And her link will be down below in my Etsy shop soon to purchase her. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.